What's going on with the roots? A common question when you are working with plants. At LemnaTech, we are committed to root phenotyping. So let's have a closer look. With our analytical software, we can provide multi-trait root phenotyping. But first, we need images. That's where the PhenoExpert Pro Root comes into play. It is a device for shoot and root imaging. It's made to phenotype plants that are growing in Rhizotron boxes. We deliver the matching boxes together with the PhenoExpert Pro Root. PhenoExpert Pro Root is coming to the customer's lab. For instance, recently we installed a PhenoExpert Pro Root at the Justus Liebig Universität in Gießen in the Genetics and Crop Diversity department. For more information on PhenoExpert Pro Root and other phenotyping technologies, visit our webpage or contact us via info@lemnatech.com.